Guys, who needs more time? Raise your hand if you need more time. Okay. Okay, guys, the time is now up, and the answer is actually C, guys. So well done, guys. Now, let me do this question together with Bennett. Hello, Bennett.
Hi.
Hi, Bennett. So how did you do this question? How did you do this question, Bennett?
125 times 92.
Yeah. Remember how to make an easy number? What number do you want to change? What number do you think it's more easy to change? I think we could change 92. So what number do you want to change 92 into?
100?
Okay, yes, hundreds is easy number, but is it 100? It's 92, so we need to do something inside the bracket. What should I do inside the bracket, Bennett?
Minus 8.
Very good. And do you remember how to expand? How do we expand, Bennett?
125 times 100
Yes.
plus 125 minus 8.
Is it plus or minus?
Minus.
So 125 times 8 as well. So if we write this again, it's going to be 125 times 100 and minus 125 times 8. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is 125 times 100? Do you remember the shortcuts?
1025?
So we write 1, 2, 5, and then how many zeros?
2.
Good. And minus, what is 125 times 8? These are compatible numbers, remember?
1,000?
Sorry?
1,000?
1,000, yes.
1,000.
Good. So now, let's subtract this slowly. So if we take away 0, 0, 5, and 1, and 1. So this is your answer, Bennett. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So this is how you get C. So now, Bennett, but let me ask you something. So it's very interesting that you decided to do 100 because some people some people, Bennett, let me show you a little bit better over here. Some people, Bennett, think, oh, Jason said, what's the closest number? So do you know what they do? They do something like this. So, oh, Jason, 125 times 92, this number is close to 90 and plus 2. And now, Bennett, I want you to compare. Is 125 times 90 plus 125 times 2? Which one do you think it's easier? The one on the left or on the right?
Right?
Is this one easier than this one?
No.
No. So sometimes, guys, just because 92, yes, it's closer to 90, but 100 is a better number because it's much easier to multiply. Does that make sense, Bennett?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So thank you, Bennett. So does that make sense to everybody as well, guys? Do you see why I did 100 instead of 90 plus 2? Because 100 is a lot easier number. Yes, very good. Okay, so let's do some more questions, guys. Let's see how well you guys can do the next question. Guys, what about this one? So raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay, let's have Elsa. Hello, Elsa.
Hello.
So how did you do this question?
So I would do 20. Wait, let me think. 20 times 4.
Okay, not the best idea, Elsa. Think carefully. 4 is a compatible number. Do you remember?
Yes.
What's the partner with
we
4?
could change 27 to 25.
Yes.
Times it by 4.
So 25, but it's not 25, it's 27. So what else do we need to do inside the bracket?
You need to take away 2.
Really? So is 25 take away 2, 27?
I mean, add 2.
Yes, you need to think carefully, okay? So, all right, so how did you expand?
To expand, I would do 25 times 4.
Okay.
And then plus 25 times 2.
No, that's not how you expand. Expand is what you do outside. Times 4, you do it for 25 and also for 2. So it's going to be, Elsa, 2 times 4. Remember this, Elsa?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the answer? This is 100 plus 8
and plus 8
equals to
108.
108. Well done, Elsa. Thank you very much for helping me out. Do you now understand how to expand?
Yes.
Good. All right, so let's see. What about this question now? Okay, I'll make it even harder. Let's see. Okay, this is quite difficult. All right, so guys, I want you guys to try this question for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, guys, so let's have Sherlock. Sherlock. Hello, Sherlock.
Hi.
So how did you do this question?
Sir, I looked at 130 and saw that it was very close to 125, which is one of our compatible numbers.
Okay.
So I decided to switch the and then I saw 3 plus 5, which would equal 8.
Yes.
So I decided to switch brackets and make 3 plus 5 8, and then make the brackets instead 125 plus 5.
Good. So yes, this is 130, and we know this is 8. And then what did you do next?
And then I did 8 times 125, which equals 1,000. And then plus 8 times 5.
Yes, we need to
Which
expand. Very good, Sherlock. And we have a plus inside. Very good. Expand means do separately. Okay. So yes, this is 1,000. And what do we plus?
40.
Which equals to?
1,040.
Very good, Sherlock. Excellent job. Well done. Okay, so does everyone understand how we did this question? So just because we have a bracket doesn't mean you need to expand. If you think there's a better way, you can switch things around. Okay, this is a little bit tricky. All right, so let's have last question. Yes, Jackson, see? It's quite difficult if you don't pay attention. Now, why, Jackson? Because look, 130 is very close to 125, and you can split it into two numbers by adding. Now, why did we split into 125? Because look, 3 plus 5 is 8. And 125 and 8 is 1,000. It was a compatible number. That's why we had to change this question entirely into something which is a lot easier. Okay, so all right, so let's have one last question. How about we do... Okay, Jackson, if you don't understand, please watch the replay, okay? If you're spamming, it's not a good behavior. I don't want you to spam. Okay, last question. Let's make it a little bit easier this time then, okay? What about this one? Once you know the answer, Natalie, don't spam, please. I'll give you a hint, guys. There are many different ways to do this question. Actually, I'm not going to give you a hint. I think this is easy, not that hard. Sorry, Archie, that's not the answer. Well done, Kevin and Anika. Yes, that's the answer. Guys, 30 minus 3 is 27. So if we expand, remember, so 30 times 8. Yes, you could have done that as well, Melody. Or you could have just did it very simple like this. So which is 240 minus 24, which is 216. I think this is a little bit easier. Okay, well done, guys. Now, let's see who's first. Wow, Melody Bai and Jeffrey, Chris, Sophie, Danya, Liam, Catherine, Natalie, Archie, Ethan, Charlotte, Mohan, and William, Candy, Aris, Ricky, Emil, Liang, Well done, guys. You guys have first, second, and third places. Well done. So thank you, guys. I hope you like this little tricks that you learned today. Don't forget to do your homework, and I'll see you guys next lesson, guys. Bye-bye.